The features of the Bay House.
Drive into a tiled double garage and a carport, providing ample space for vehicles, boats, and lifestyle gear. The 1,500-liter water tank, connected to solar panels, ensures an eco-friendly water supply. A convenient, accessible ramp leads directly to the main house. Passing the wine room, you'll find a separate laundry equipped with Miele appliances and ample storage. A walkway leads to the stunning atrium. Adjacent to the atrium is an office or additional bedroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a master bedroom with an ensuite offering both comfort and convenience. The kitchen features a pizza oven and professional appliances. The expansive outdoor deck offers stunning views, and the inviting ambiance of the lounge encourages relaxation. Crossing the glass link, you'll find a water feature that elegantly separates the main house from this wing. This separate living space includes the sea view bedroom with an ensuite, the garden bedroom, a separate accessible bathroom, a cozy living room, and a kitchenette. The versatile layout caters to multiple lifestyle uses, such as a gym or yoga room. The separate guest house, perfect for hosting family and friends. Enjoy the ease of access with well-maintained pathways throughout the property. Don't miss this rare opportunity. Check it out now.